Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings. I'm an independent demonstrator for Stampin' Up, which means I sell Stampin' Up products. And today I want to show you a quick, easy note card. And this note card is going to be using one of our free celebration sets, the Heartfelt Blooms. This is my favorite, let's bring this down. This is my favorite set from the free products you can get during celebration. So what I am going to do, this is the card, and we've got the envelope. Now you can use any card, any colors. I'm using Dapper Denim. So what we're needing is the Heartfelt Blooms. We're going to be needing Dapper Denim, and we're going to be needing a note card. Let's get that off there. And all you have to do is take your Heartfelt Blooms, ink it up, and you're going to stamp it a few times. Now you can stamp the whole one in the middle if you want, or you can stamp on 4 corners or 2 corners or even 3 corners. And then while I've got this out, I'm just going to take the envelope and stamp on the envelope. I mean, this is just probably the, let's see here. A really quick and easy way to make a bunch of cards. And I'm just going to put a thinking of you. So there you are, quick, easy, Heartfelt Blooms note card. So thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.